Good one from matrix. What we are given is the matrix I minus EF is invertible and G is equals to I minus EF inverse. Or equivalently, we have G inverse equals to I minus EF. So pre-multiplying and post-multiplying this equation by G, we'll get G, or let's rearrange it a bit to get EF I minus G inverse, and now pre-multiplying and post-multiplying this, we'll get GEF equals to G minus I equals to EFG, which is option C. So option C is correct. Now let's have a look at option B, which is I minus FE into I plus FGE equals to I. So opening these brackets, we'll get I minus FE plus FGE minus FE FGE. So this EFG, from this I'll write this as GEF, and I'll write EF as I minus G inverse. So this thing becomes minus FG I minus G inverse E, and opening this bracket I get GE plus FE. So this plus FE gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, and I am left with I, which is exactly our right hand side of this equation. So B option is also correct, and hence D option is incorrect. Now from option B I get I plus FGE, no, I get I minus FE plus I minus FE times FGE equals to I. So taking this over there, I get I minus FE into FGE equals to FE, and taking determinant on both the sides, I get determinant of I minus FE into determinant of FG is determinant of FE, which is exactly our option A. So A is also correct. So answer is ABC.